them know me. I know they blow trees, only lonely me low. Music chose me, just know this and know this. I did lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly. Catch up on the AR, how you did that? Track out, lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches up on your blinkies, how you did that? Your LV
Good morning, guys. Happy Sunday. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kimone and I would appreciate if you hit that subscribe button. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for tuning in to yet another video. Yes, I'm in high spirits today. So it is Sunday. It is currently, what is it? Today is Sunday the 11th of February. It is 2 minutes to 11 and I'm finally getting out of bed. I was trying to edit this weekly vlog to upload today. I have it exporting right now and then I'm gonna upload it to YouTube. Today we have quite a few things to do. Today I have to, when I'm finished here, I'm about to go and gather my points for this presentation group call this evening for 5. I have a management group call today because we have to do a presentation in like 2 weeks and I have not looked at my points. So I'm gonna do that when I'm finished, and then I am thinking to clean out the fridge today. I might, because the fridge looked like a hot mess. Y'all know I went grocery shopping in my, well, y'all don't know, y'all are going to see, well, y'all gonna see before y'all see this, that I went grocery shopping in my last weekly vlog. So I just got everything thrown into the fridge, so I have to like fix up in there. What else I have to do? I have to cook. We are cooking today, guys, hopefully. And that's it for today. I will show you guys. I do not know. I feel like today gonna be like a montage kind of thing. Like I'm not gonna talk much today because I just have to go. Wait, I didn't even mention like what this video.
What?
This is gonna be another weekly vlog. Yes, your girl is addicted to weekly vlogs. I can't say. I was gonna film a weekly vlog last week, but last week was so boring. I actually started the gym last week though, but I'm probably gonna show you guys the gym content in this weekly vlog because obviously that was my first week back. Your girl was out of breath, your girl was out of shape, your girl looked like she was about to die. So alright, see you guys in the next clip.
6.5 hours later.
Hi guys, I know y'all are not accustomed to this background, but it's 6:35. Can you guys see? I just come off of the group call for this presentation for a management class. So what I'm about to do now is I'm about to clean out this fridge because I have nothing else to do. And then I'm gonna do some meal prepping. I'm thinking of doing chicken pasta because that's easy to do. I don't have much experience in the kitchen, as many of you may know. Probably gonna do it like a montage because I mean, like, what is there to talk about while cleaning out the fridge, you know what I mean? So guys, this is the current state of the fridge. Yeah, we have some work to do.
Hey, yeah. I need someone to be patient with me. Someone to get money when I take it from me. They don't even need to be as famous as me. I don't think I meet them at the places I be, but deep down I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's all rap.
I didn't come this far just just to come this far and not be happy. Okay, remember that. You didn't come this far just to come this far. Yep. I saw it on the internet.
I look so crazy, but guys, I have just finished cleaning out the fridge. But let me show you guys the after of how the fridge looks. Like, it's not like a little crowded, but at least I know where everything is. So let me open. Let's start with the door. Here is clear. Then down here, this is just the seasoning area. Then we have like the barbecue sauce, Caesar salad, ketchups, and then at the bottom is just my 101 water bottles. And then to the main part of the fridge, you have the eggs over here. In the middle is like bread. We have pancake. We have a cream. I'm actually gonna use this like right now for my pasta, but I'm just leaving it in there because I had it out for a little bit. Pineapple, strawberries, breadfruit, leftover breadfruit. So here we have flour, my cheese, corn. The back is like other pasta. Then we have some sugar. And here is the veg. And then in here is like the fruits. So yeah guys, that is how the fridge looks. Like I said, it's a lot more organized in a sense. Wait a minute, tell me that cleaning out a fridge is the whole workout. Like, do I need to go to the gym tomorrow? Like, I'm sweating. But like I said, I'm about to go and do the pasta, so it's gonna be like probably another montage. So yeah, I will show you guys when I'm done. I am scared because y'all know I can't cook. So like, what's the food gonna taste?
Running fast from the way it was, jump quick to a paycheck, running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I've been enough of petty dudes. I've put enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh, better today than yesterday. Ooh, I just take it day by day.
Good morning guys, it is Monday. It's currently 8:40. Guys, I am so tired. Y'all will not believe the time that I went to sleep last night. I went to sleep like after 11 because y'all know I was up cooking the meal for this week. But guys, look at what happened yesterday. Did y'all see that? Your girl hit 300 subscribers. Like, I did that. I
What? Speak! Spit it the fuck out! What do you want to say?
I have no words. I am honestly so grateful. for all 306 of you who subscribed to my channel, enjoyed my videos, and all that. I really appreciate y'all. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for liking, commenting. You know, thank you. Thank you. My heart is full. This week is starting off perfectly. Oh, by the way, this week I decided to wear pink because Valentine's is all Wednesday, so I just have to say I have on a pink. This is actually a dress. Let me get it, I'll show you. With a jacket. Oh. So this week we're wearing pink just because of Valentine's. I don't really have much pink clothes because I'm not really a pink girly, but we'll see what we can find. The girl is at work, if you cannot tell. Y'all know that my life is just work, school, repeat. But this week should be a bit more interesting in a sense, other than the fact that we hit 300. There's actually school sports this week. Like, there's a week full of sports. Let me pull it on IG because I honestly can't remember. But it's a list of things that's happening this week, and I think that I want to go and see at least volleyball. Today's netball. Tomorrow is esports and games night. Wednesday is volleyball. Thursday is basketball and soccer. And then Friday is like track. And then Saturday is a Warzone meet. So I may go to volleyball and maybe track.
Boy, if you don't get...
At least let me enjoy my little UV experience other than the work overload, you know what I mean? I may film a little bit today once is something that I can show. So yeah, see you guys probably later.
It's been months, it's been too long, baby, you know. Fuck what you're doing now, quit doing that right now, baby. I got better things for you to do, got better things for you to see, got a better place for you to live.
Hey guys, it is currently 3:34. The girl is now at lunch. We are gonna do a review of my cooking, an honest review, of course, because who better to judge my food than myself. This is how it looks. Ignore the fish. I just put it in because I was leftover fish from yesterday. But we did this chicken pasta. It looks good. More than my food looks good. It might not taste good, but it ain't gonna look good. This is just the pasta. Not bad. And then this is the chicken breast. I give myself a solid 7 out of 10. So I'll show you guys probably when I am finished eating. Like, your girl did that, and it's only gonna get better from here.
This verse starts as my snipers hit their marks and your guards fall down from a rifle to the heart like clap, clap. Let them fall slow. I know you had your fears, you could let them all go. And most women are motivated, so I act accordingly. But this is so refreshing that it means a little more to me. Dedicating time when I really can't afford to be. I'll provide protection if you open up the door for me. Couple stares, couple texts, couple dates, couple I think that we're ready, couple I think we should wait. Are we acting like a couple? I'm just trying to get it straight. Cause I'm over here convinced that it's too early for mistakes. And then
you had to change up the game. Oh, the weather is not
did all the magic go? I followed the rules and told you everything you had to know.
Good morning, guys. It is Tuesday, February 12th. February 13th, sorry. It is 7:50. As you guys can see, I am still in the pink team for this week. I have on this pink, red with blue little, I don't know, it's called this feather shirt. And then I am pairing it with this, I call this blush pink, right? This, I don't know, but skirt. Because I'm so tired from the gym. Anyways, guys, I don't know if I'm gonna film much today because not much happening. Good evening, guys. Your girl is home from work and school. So this gonna give you guys like a little review on the book I read for January. This is the book I read. This is Slammed by Colleen Hoover. So this is actually my first time like getting back into reading since like secondary school. Honestly, I loved every bit of this book. I would rate it a solid 7 or 8 out of 10. The reason I didn't get full 10 is because like some things I predicted, but I love it because it is a romance book and it's more like a teenage love kind of thing, so I feel like I kind of relate to it in a sense. That's probably why I liked it so much. The only book I'm going to read for this month, even though I am late in reading it, is this book called Points of Retreat, also by Colleen Hoover. So this book is actually part 2 to this book because it's apparently a series, and then the third book is called This Girl, I think. I don't know if I'm gonna get the third book because a lot of reviews were saying that the third book is basically like a repeat of the first book, but just from Will's point of view instead of Lakin's. This is what the 13th. I have 130 pages to read, and I'm probably gonna read them tonight because I have nothing else to do. Tomorrow is Valentine's, guys. Like, please post around. Please show what you got, because I want to be in here giggling and I'm blushing for you too. I'm gonna show you guys tomorrow. Morning, guys. I apologize for the very weird setup. It's Wednesday, it's Valentine's Day, it's the day of love. The girl is still wearing her, this is actually red. It's red and white striped shirt. I don't have any pink shirts at all. Like, at all. Because I am so late for school. I will not even tell you all the time because I do not want you all to judge me. Maybe we should do the get ready with me with a twist. You know that TikTok trend not going around that's like, I'm a Scorpio, of course I'm gonna da-da-da. Maybe we should do that to do a get ready with me. So let's do it. It's Valentine's Day. Of course I'm gonna ride Panda for that. Guys, I finally got it on, guys. It's Valentine's Day. Of course I'm gonna wear my Sweet Like Candy perfume by Ariana Grande. This smells so good, guys. It's Valentine's Day. Of course I'm gonna get myself something. Alright, guys, I'm going for real because like I said, I really and I want to catch the bus. So let's. It's Valentine's Day. Of course I'm gonna eat fruits at breakfast. Like, get into that. Guys, I made it to class just on time. Like, the bus was there. I guess it was waiting on me. But your girl got a notification that packages are at the shipping company for me, so I am going to pick up those and do a unboxing when I get home. And then I also want to show you guys some of the decor that like some of the stores has for Valentine's. Like, it's so cute. But I'm on my way to my next class now, so I'll show you guys later. I don't know if you guys can see me or hear me, but change of plans. Instead of going to town, I look at the different displays. I'm gonna go with my boyfriend instead. We decided to go and get some breadfruit bowls.
Go to it?
They got the cameraman when they editing. Hi guys, we're at Pirates Cove.
That's a rock?
That's a... What will you say that? Let me show you guys. Well, I can't really show. Have you guys seen anything? I can show yours. We bought the tuna breadfruit bowl from Yalla Meat. Let me show you guys. And some juices. This is his, a fruit punch. And this is guava pineapple.
I ain't gonna open it. Or let's see you wanna open it. Okay. Ooh. Jeez, man. Can I see that? I don't know if they can see that because it's sun right in my eye.
Just open it, thing.
Like that. That look yummy, babe.
It feels good.
Alright, pretty flays. I think you guys could see.
Light apple for sure.
So yeah, we bought the same thing, but his has on pepper, mine doesn't.
Don't taste her. I've got a reason.
Alright, I'm not tasting it. Alright, we'll show you guys later. Come and say hello. You don't have to show your face. Come. Let me see how tall you're gonna be. Alright. You know what? Say hi, guys. Rude. Guys, I am home. It is currently 6:18 and I'm about to show you guys the packages that I got, as well as the gift that I got myself for 1, reaching 300 subscribers, 2, as a Valentine's Day gift to myself. You know what I mean? Okay, so I think it was the glasses that had me in the dark, because now I don't let a little bright, so you know what I mean? So let's start with this package. These are both from Shein, by the way. Sorry, this like, but I have the, ooh, this is for work. Ooh, this is for work. I have this black blouse. Can you guys see? Long sleeve. So that's the first thing. And then I think I know where these are. I think these are the vests that I ordered to wear like underneath the cardigans for work too. This white vest. Then I have the brown one. And then obviously we have a black. So I just got the basic colors. Okay, so then I need next bag. I know in this bag for sure. So this is the first thing I pulled out. These are the facial mask sets. Can you see? I think I want to show you guys. I will link all of these in the description below if you're all like interested. So this is what it looks like. It just these facial mask applicator brushes. So I have this shape, then I have, I don't know if you guys can see though, that shape, then there's this shape, and then there is this shape. The next item in the bag is this facial brush. This is what it looks like. It has like this soft side, and then it has like a silicone side. The next item is, oh, I am so sad I got these. These are the wristbands that you put on to like prevent the water from going on your hand. So you put it on like so. As you all can tell, this was basically a skincare tool kind of bundle. And then the next thing is, I actually don't know what this is, but we don't get it together. Oh, these, I'm excited for these. These are those compressed sponge things that as water hit it, it will like swell up and turn into a I had this on my vision board. Let me show you guys real quick. Right there. But yeah, I'm about to go on a little TikTok unboxing this, and then I'm gonna come back. The girl is building her collection slowly but surely. So we're back. So I just filmed the little TikTok. I hope I get enough clips to the video I want it to do. Let's undo it on camera now together. There's an instruction on how to spray it to the top, and then there's this little whole thing that you grab, and then you pull it out of the box like so. Look at her. Look at her. Look. Wait, let's let it focus. Look at her. Like, you all cannot tell me this is not cute. And then it has like her name right here, and it sprays like to the top. I'm trying to like focus. Right, it has this spray thing to the top, and then it will spray out in this. I don't forget to see the hole, but the hole is right there. So now about the places on my stand, I feel proud that now I have not only one but 2 designer perfumes. So yeah guys, that is it for tonight. I'm not filming anything else. What I'm about to do now is I'm about to go on bed. I'm gonna read the book, and then I'm gonna edit what I filmed for the week. Good morning guys. It is Friday. What's it? Friday the 16th. It is, you guys even see that? It is 8:25, so I have 5 minutes to work start. I can't remember the last thing I filmed for this weekly vlog, honestly. I really was probably me unboxing the perfume, I think, because I don't think I filmed anything yesterday. As you guys can see, I'm still in the Valentine's week called the scheme. I'm wearing this rose, pink and red rose or flower print blouse shirt from Shein, and then I'm wearing like the simple black jeans that I also got from Shein. Another thing, I may have filmed a little bit today of what I have to do for work because I have quite a few things to do. Actually, I have to pay for some ads, so I gotta go front to back. So I may carry all guys along with me once the batteries are charged. I have to go to this like printing place to get some documents binded. I have to go to the bank and deposit a check. I have to buy some parchment paper. I have to go to the registry. Like, I have a lot to do today, so I think I may take you guys along, you know, just get content, honestly, at this point. See you guys in a few. So editing came on here. It's been a minute since I've entered a video, okay? But just a quick disclaimer, I did not record much of the tasks that I had to do on Friday. The only thing I think I recorded was me going to the nation, so I want to include that. But what I did was I also recorded some of the Valentine's Day decor that was still up, even though Valentine's Day has passed. So I hope you guys enjoy the little clips.
Last, now everybody go to breakfast. You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt, though. I'm a me happy adult, though. I no go feed the girl, it's out, though. I'm a mind that's you talk, though. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that careful. Like the Baba fry, oh. My eye, oh. Don't cry, oh.
Y'all cannot tell me he ain't got his middle finger. Mood. So editing you on here again to close off today's video because I did not film on Saturday, so that means that I did not do the outro. But thank you guys for tuning in to this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, share with friends, subscribe if you're new here, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.